Understanding, Judge the Relevancy. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that often pops up in both academic and professional settings: judge the relevancy. Understanding this concept is crucial for effective communication, so let's break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only grasp its meaning but also know how to apply it in various contexts. Let's get started. To judge the relevancy of something means to evaluate or assess how relevant, appropriate, or closely connected it is to a particular matter, topic, or situation. When we judge the relevancy, we are essentially determining the significance or importance of something in relation to what is being discussed or considered. Relevancy refers to the quality of being directly connected with and important to something else. Judge in this context means to form an opinion or conclusion about something. So, when put together, judging the relevancy involves a careful examination and decision-making process regarding the pertinence of information, ideas, or materials to the subject at hand. Judging the relevancy is a critical skill in many areas of life, including education, work, and even personal decision-making. In academic settings, it helps students and researchers identify which sources, theories, or pieces of information are most pertinent to their studies or research topics. In the workplace, professionals need to judge the relevancy of data, reports, and communications to make informed decisions and prioritize tasks. In everyday life, we constantly judge the relevancy of information we come across, deciding what news to pay attention to or what advice to follow based on its relevance to our lives or current situations. Understanding how to judge the relevancy effectively can lead to better decision-making, more persuasive arguments, and a greater ability to sift through vast amounts of information critically. To effectively judge the relevancy, consider the following steps. 1. Define the main topic or question at hand. Clearly understanding what you are dealing with is the first step in judging relevancy. 2. Gather information from various sources related to the topic. 3. Evaluate each piece of information by asking. 4. How directly does it relate to the topic or question? 5. Does it add value or provide new insights into the discussion? 6. Is the source credible and the information up to date? 7. Make an informed judgment based on your evaluation. Decide which pieces of information are most relevant and should be prioritized or focused on. Remember, judging the relevancy is not just about finding connections but understanding the strength and importance of those connections in the specific context. And there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the phrase, judge the relevancy. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and has equipped you with the knowledge to apply this critical thinking skill in various aspects of your life. Remember, being able to discern what's relevant and what's not is a powerful tool in navigating the information-rich world we live in. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.